right. And so he considered, and as I've noted here, right, he's not only talking about the Holocaust of, slavery and stuff here. Here he talks about the notion of genocidal rape that goes on through, the notion, through the mechanism of slavery, right? And so, he is, as I said before, he's basically moderate in tone, but, he's able to pull punches when he needs to. And you want to, he is a very classical writer, but, don't be, uh, you know, swayed by that. He is able to say, what needs to be said. But anyway, he continues to go on in this chapter. And again, this is where he's going to make the hard argument for uh, here in the forethought for the idea of double consciousness, right? So this chapter is reflective, sort of theoretical one. In chapter 2, here he's going to get into the idea or the historical um, era of Reconstruction, 1863 to 1876, more or less. Okay, and so this is one of the prompts that you can write about. So if you're into history, it's a very interesting thing that he's looking at. In the prompt, I've given you some of the aspects of what's at stake, but this is really a crucial point in sort of the understanding of racial history in the United States. This era of Reconstruction, how it's been received over the last 100 or so years. So, good chapter to look at there. Well documented, well annotated, as you can see. In chapter 3, he will take on Booker T. Washington. And so chapters 3 through 6 largely are the education argument that he is making. Okay, so in chapter 3, he'll present uh, the ideas of Booker T. Washington. There's definitely a critique there, but more or less in chapter 3, he's giving you the basic idea. He's trying to be as fair as he can be, I guess, with Booker T. Washington. And then in chapters 4 through 6, he will present his ideas for education. Okay, so this is a classic argument.